just got out of gas, sir. He's my son.
In a fire zone, it's against the law.
I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, but his car is out of gas.
You're gonna lose your badge. I would lose my badge for you if I did what you did. Don't give him any info. You don't have to. Don't give him any info. Don't give him ID. Don't give him any information. You don't have to.
Know, if we don't get his information, his name and date of birth, we're going to have to take him to jail.
He didn't do anything to go jail. What did he do?
Without cops, who would violate your rights and take you to the ground instead of lending a helping hand when you run out of gas?
What did he do? He just parked because he's out of gas.
Back up. Back up.
What did he do? Did he do anything wrong?
I'm told you already.
That's not violation. He almost parked. You see?
I have few details about this video, but apparently, according to the cops and the victim, this young man ran out of gas and happened to be blocking a fire lane. The cops decided that instead of helping somebody in their time of need, they'd go ahead and turn off their critical thinking, their common sense, and press him for his ID in violation of the Fourth Amendment right to be secure in your person.
Okay, well, I know I can defend myself right now. I have every right to.
He just got out of gas, sir. He's my son.
Well, let me tell you what's going on.
Y'all are stalkers. Y'all are harassers. Y'all are stalkers.
Hey, that.
Stay away from me right now.
Hold
I
on.
know my rights.
Hold on.
Parked in a fire zone, it's against the law.
I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, but his car is out of gas.
Moving my car. Now go away. You don't need my ID. I know my rights. I can take your badge.
He just got out of
Take your
gas.
badge. Really, I
Okay.
can.
Why are you trying to
If I
tease
try to
him?
do what you
He's-
did, you're gonna lose your
not
badge.
listening.
I would lose my badge for you if I did what you did.
Okay.
I would lose my badge.
Please,
if I did
he's
what you
out
did.
of gas.
Stay away from my mom.
I'm helping
Stay
you
away
to
from me.
get him out.
Stay away from my mom.
Listen.
If you don't go away right now, both of you
legally
police
parked?
officers.
Yeah, he can't because he's out of gas.
Okay.
It's happened to everyone.
We need his driver's license.
Y'all are stalkers. Stay.
I can show you my driver license. He just.
Stay away from me.
What did he do? What did he do? Did he kill someone? Did he do any crime?
Harassing me. I know you people have been stalking me, watching me, and harassing me this whole time.
Did he do anything bad? Did he kill
Stay
anyone?
away from me right
He just
now.
got out of gas. He's trying to move now.
They've been watching me in secret before this. They've been stalking me. They've been harassing me this
Please.
whole time. I'm going to report them. These police officers are
Why? What did he do? He just got out of gas.
and they're still around me. I'm telling them go away, and they won't go away. These police officers are pedophiles. I'm trying to move my car.
Listen.
He's trying to move his car.
I'm trying to move my car, and they're in the way of me moving my car.
Listen.
ታዲያ እስቲ በአማርኛ በስነ ስርዓት ተናገር እሺ
I don't have to listen to you. I don't have to say you don't.
ታዲያ እንደሱ መሆን ያስገድላል አታስገድለኝ እባክህ
I don't care.
እሺ በቃ በስነ ስርዓት ንገራቸው ስጣቸውና አይደን እንሂድ
Both of them are racist.
We just need to get
Racist.
the parking situation.
You're
ስጣቸውን
still here and you're a police officer, you're racist. And you're going to lose your
What did he do? What did he do? Did he do anything bad?
Racist and you're going to lose.
Now, I understand that emotions are running high here, but the racist and pedo allegations can't be proven. So it's not advisable to go there. Where you can go is the route of objectivity. These cops are clearly not acting as public servants, but instead have chosen to violate this guy's rights by harassing and detaining him when no crime has been committed.
Did he kill someone? Did he do any crime?
My car.
Did he kill anyone? Did he do any crime? He just out of gas. He parked here because he couldn't move it. I came here to help him.
I understand
So why you need his ID?
Because he's illegally parked.
Because he's out of gas.
Okay, well, we
When
need
you-
to identify him. He's
Well,
illegally
that's
parked.
why he told me I didn't park correct.
Okay.
So let's go get my car. I came.
Serving people, you
So what's wrong with it? This happened to everyone.
No, it
Go ahead,
doesn't.
get away from me. Stay away
You
from
can't-
me.
you
Don't
can't-
touch me.
you can't be
Don't
guys
touch
out.
me. Don't assault me.
I haven't
If you
He's
touch
in
me,
violation
you'll
of the
assault
Texas
me.
Transportation
And I will
Code.
defend
You need to
myself.
identify him.
So stay away from
He's
me.
out of gas.
I'm out of gas. You're stressing me and my mom.
These policy enforcers are so focused on codes and policies that they lost their humanity in the process. Now, why would these cops make sure that this guy had to go through the trouble of being cited and then keeping an appointment to see the judge when they, the cops, could simply just use their brains, listen to their hearts, and help this guy and his mom out? This is crazy.
He's out of gas. That's why I came to move the car.
I don't need to give you any info.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Kaden.
I'm not
Kaden.
violating you. I'm trying to move my car right out of gas.
You're in violation of the Texas Transportation Code.
No, I'm not. I ran out
What kind of violation? He's out of gas.
I'm trying to move my car. You racist cops. I'll take your badges. I'll take your home.
He did his best to bring here.
For real. I don't care about your technicality
Officer's name
bullshit.
and date of birth.
Can you give me his information?
ልስጣቸው ዳግም ምንም ችግር
Stay
የለም
away from me.
ጁላይ
We're just trying to
Stay away from me. I
identify.
don't know
July
about COVID
31st.
or anything, so stay away from me.
July 31st 95 ምንም የሚያደርገው ነገር he didn't do anything.
Stay away from me. I will use self-defense if you try to touch me. Stay away from me. I know my rights.
Please, he's asking you nicely.
Stay
He
away from
said,
my car.
let me
Stay
move
away
my
from
car.
me. Stay away from me. You're trespassing my rights. I'm trying to move my car. I'm trying to move my car and drive it home. Now stay away from me.
Until we're finished conducting.
I know my rights. I will take your badge for this.
Get his information.
I will take your badge for this. If I was the sheriff, I'd take both y'all's badges for this. That's it. Both of y'all badges gone. That's it. Y'all fired as police officers. And I'm going to report this.
ታዲያ
Harassment. This is harassment. It's a harassing a police officer.
ምን አረጋችሁ? What did he do?
He's in violation of the Texas
Okay, he just told you his reason. He did his best to bring here to park.
Again, there's no reason to make accusations that you can't substantiate. Stick with what you know is true. Your rights are clearly being violated. Everybody can see that. So invoke your right to be silent and then file a 42-1983 on him.
Ma'am,
So that's why.
give the officer his information. We will issue the citation, and y'all can be on your way.
What citation? He didn't do anything
parking in the fire lane.
because he's out of gas.
Okay, he can tell that to the judge.
Can I have his information, please?
Don't touch me right now.
He's not
Don't touch
under
me.
18.
Don't touch me.
I can't
I
give
didn't commit
his
any violations.
information.
I just ran out of gas. That's all
Okay.
that happened.
So
Don't
you
touch
don't
me.
wanna
Stay
help us
away from
out?
me. Y'all
I
racist.
just gave you his birthday.
But I don't know his name. His birthday does me no good without his name.
Don't give him any info. You don't have to. Don't give him any info. Don't give him ID. Don't give him any information.
I'm
You
gonna
don't
let
have
you
to.
know. If we don't get his information, his name and date of birth, we're going to have to take him to jail.
He didn't do anything to go jail. What did he
Tell that to the
do?
judge. You need to get
ታዲያ
the officer-
ስጣቸውና ነገሮችን easy አድርገው.
Don't touch me. Y'all racist cops ain't touching me.
You want to make him fleeing too?
I don't care what y'all say. Y'all racist
He just he's out of trouble. He doesn't want you.
Let's see what y'all do. Let's see what y'all do. Recording me.
ታዲያ ቆምና ቆም.
Try to touch me.
Stop. Do not move.
If I touch
Stop
you,
right now.
I do my bad. I do my bad.
Please. Okay, just ግባችሁ ስጣቸው ኢንፎርሜሽንን ታዲያ What did he do? He just parked because he's out of gas.
Back up.
Back up. You can be here, but back up.
Okay, he's out of gas.
Sex assault.
That's why he parked
Police
like
officers
this.
are sexually harassing me right now.
What did he do? He parked because he's out of gas.
Sex
That's
assault.
why we came to move the car.
Police officers are
Right now,
pedophiles. Police officers are pedophiles.
Refusing to identify.
These cops are so rigid and tyrannical. I mean, can you imagine how viral this video would go if these cops reached into their pockets, got some money together, and then took this guy to get some gas? Instead, they couldn't help but display the very reason people hate him so much. They're mindless code enforcers. They're doing what they're told regardless of what is right.
Sir, let me ask you something. When young people stress out of job,
By standing you up.
nothing to have. They are like this. You should understand.
We tried to understand.
Okay,
All we needed
so
was
he
his
just,
information.
he's under provision. He doesn't want any ticket. He's trying to do his best.
Too late.
What does that mean too late? What did he do?
He didn't fail to identify and he fled.
I don't have to.
Please, this boy, something happened to him. I go anywhere.
We tried to get your.
I go anywhere. I asked. Okay, I'm going to give you his
It's
information
too
now.
late. We tried to get that from you earlier and you wouldn't give it to us.
Because he's not under 18.
Well, then you made a bad choice.
What does that mean?
I mean, you should have given us his
What did
information
he do?
earlier.
What? Tell me what is this mean?
He's parked in the fire lane.
He's trying his best to bring here. See, it was a long way. Stop. So he couldn't move it. I came to push for him.
Yeah.
And then get the gas for him.
Yeah.
So you arrest him. What is this wrong with it?
Because he parked in the fire lane. We were trying to get his ID.
He just telling you he didn't do anything. He just trying to get gas to move his car.
He left it in the fire lane.
He's out of gas. His car he couldn't move it by himself. Okay, I came to help him. Early in the morning.
You know what you could have done to help him? You could have given us his information, what we asked for.
I just gave him. I gave him his birthday.
And the birthday doesn't do any good without his name.
Okay, I'm trying to give him this.
Too late.
We are talking.
Too late. He fled from us, and now he goes to jail for evading.
What zombies? I'll give you his information. Okay.
Too late. He'll be going to Wiley jail.
I didn't consent for you to search me.
If he's why is no one searching him? No one even asked him. I know that. I know that. You are touching him. He didn't do anything. He's parked.
He's searching him for weapons.
What did he do? Did he do anything wrong?
I told you already.
That's not violation. He almost parked. You see? He's almost parked. He's out of
He
gas.
walks away from us when we're telling him to stop.
Because you try to tase him.
Okay.
You try to tase him without doing anything. Is that what you want? Is that what make you happy?
No one tased him.
Is that what make you happy doing this all the time? You guys have to consider something like this.
If you would have just given us his name and date of birth, this would have been
He
over.
just asking you, what did I do? What did I do?
We've told him several times.
He gave you the reason.
And we've told you.
What did you tell me?
Parked in the fire lane.
And then I gave you his birthday.
Did you give us his name?
And he's just asking me, you just get him.
No, you
Before I
wouldn't give
gave
us
you.
his- You wouldn't give us his name.
I would. Why I gave you his
didn't.
birthday?
You didn't.
I just gave you his birthday and then I'm asking him.
birthday does us nothing.
Yeah, I
No
was
good.
talking to him slowly. Let me give them.
Huh?
If you guys need.
Yeah.
Have witness. This is not the right thing you guys doing. He just gave you a reason.
If y'all would have been even a little bit helpful, we wouldn't be going this route.
What if the cops had been a little helpful instead of treating this kid like he's a criminal right off the bat?
I just gave you his birthday and then I was trying to give you his name.
No, you didn't.
And then again, if I can give you his birthday. I can give you his
We asked for his
information now.
name and you wouldn't
Okay,
give
I'll
us
give
his
you his information now.
Too late.
Please.
You should have done earlier.
Okay, I said please.
Too late.
Please, let me give you his
late.
information.
Too late.
Because I have to talk to you. He's grown up, so I have to talk to him by my language.
Yeah,
I was trying to
he's
talk to
grown
him.
up, so he
Let's
should've
give him. He didn't do
given the
anything.
information himself.
Yeah, okay, but he's stressed out. He's out of gas. He's out of job. He couldn't find any job because of this pandemic. He didn't get any job. He's stressed out. He doesn't have money, so that's why he's like this. He's not a bad boy. He's a good boy. Okay? The last time, the same thing with the parking. They gave him without any reason, but the judge is dismissing. So he didn't do anything. He has no record, bad record. So, please, I'll give you his information. Don't take him to jail, please.
Ma'am, it's too late.
I said, please, I'll give you his information.
Sorry.
Please don't make it difficult.
Y'all should have done that.
He
when we
didn't
were
do
asking
anything.
you for
Okay,
it.
I gave you his birthday. Birthday is the main things.
Because here's what would have happened. If you would have given us his information, or if he would have given us this information when we asked for it, we would have issued a citation for parking in a fire lane. You could have taken that to the judge, told the judge the reason why he was parking in a fire lane.
All right, well, that's where the video ends. In your opinion, did the cops do the right thing? Did they do the wrong thing? If you were there, what would you have done? Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel, the links are in the description. You can also become a channel member and grab a hard-hitting conversation starting design that you can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, hat, pillowcase, whatever you want. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance. And indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. I will see you in the next video.